The golden root, a look at ginseng's health benefits and everyday use. People have respected ginseng as a powerful medicine for hundreds of years, calling it the king of herbs or the root of immortality in different countries. Ginseng has been used for a long time in traditional medicine and is becoming more popular in modern healing practices because it can help the body adapt to stress and has many other health benefits. This video goes into great detail about how ginseng can improve your health and how you can use it every day to feel better. Background and types. Ginseng comes from North America and East Asia. It is a slow-growing annual plant in the genus Panax. American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, and Asian or Korean ginseng, Panax ginseng, are the two main types. They have different chemical makeups but the same main health benefits. Both types have ginsenosides, which are the main ingredients that give ginseng its health benefits. Good for your health. Properties that help adaptation. Ginseng is an adaptogen, which means it helps the body deal with stress and keep its balance. It changes how the body reacts to different kinds of stress, which helps the adrenal glands and makes the body stronger generally. A better cognitive function. Ginseng may help with memory, focus, and general mental performance, according to many studies. It is thought to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and increase the function of neurotransmitters. Immune system boost. Ginseng helps the body fight off infections and illnesses by changing the immune system. Regular use may help boost the immune system, lowering the risk of getting common illnesses. Or more energy and less tiredness. One of the best-known benefits of ginseng is that it can help fight tiredness and give you more energy. It does this by lowering oxidative stress and improving the performance of mitochondria, which are cells' power plants. 5. Setting limits for blood sugar. Researchers have found that ginseng may help control blood sugar levels. This makes it a useful herb for people who already have diabetes or are at risk of getting it. It might make insulin work better and help control blood sugar better. Everyday use. Ginseng can be added to your daily life in a number of different ways, such as tea. Ginseng tea is a popular and easy way to get its health benefits. Adding ginseng roots or powder to hot water and letting them soak makes a soothing and healthy drink. 2. Add-ons. You can get ginseng supplements in the form of pills or tinctures. These contain a lot of ginsenosides. These are helpful for people who might find it hard to eat ginseng in its natural state. 4. In the kitchen, adding dried or powdered ginseng to soups, stews, or smoothies can give them a unique taste and health benefits at the same time. Or traditional tonics. Traditional tonics are strong drinks that can be made by boiling ginseng roots with other herbs. They can be drunk regularly to improve your health. This is how to make ginseng honey lemon tea. Things used. 1 root of ginseng, fresh or dried. 2 cups of water. 1 tablespoon honey. Taste it to see what you like. 1 lemon, squeezed. Garnish with fresh mint leaves if you want. How to do it. Get the ginseng ready. If you are using fresh ginseng, wash it well and cut it into thin slices. You can use a mill and pestle to slightly crush dried ginseng, which will make it easier for the flavors to mix. Bring the water to a boil. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Add the chopped or crushed ginseng to the water once it starts to boil. Stir fry. Turn down the heat and let the ginseng cook for 15 to 20 minutes. By doing this, the ginseng's good chemicals can get into the water. Strength. Once it's done simmering, strain the juice to get rid of the ginseng pieces. For this step, you can use either cheesecloth or a strainer with a fine mesh. Add honey to taste. Mix the honey into the water that has ginseng in it, and keep stirring until the honey is fully mixed in. Depending on how sweet you like things, change how much honey you use. Add lemon juice. Squeeze 1 lemon's juice into the tea. Lemon's sour taste goes well with ginseng's earthy notes and gives the drink a refreshing twist. We'll mix. Make sure the honey and lemon are spread out evenly by stirring the tea well. Optional finishing touch. Add a few fresh mint leaves to the tea to make it taste even more refreshing. Mint gives it a nice smell and goes well with the other flavors. Serve hot. Take a sip of your favorite mug of ginseng honey lemon tea while it's still warm. You can also let it cool down and serve it over ice for a cool drink. In addition to being good for you because it contains ginseng, this ginseng honey lemon tea tastes great and calms your taste buds. This tea can be used to wake you up in the morning or to calm you down in the evening. In conclusion, Ginseng has a long history and many health benefits that make it a useful addition to current wellness practices. Many studies have shown that ginseng is good for your health, from improving brain function to helping your defense system. Individuals can fully utilize the benefits of this remarkable plant by including it in their daily lives, whether through teas, supplements, or culinary uses. As we continue to look into where traditional knowledge and modern science meet, ginseng comes out as a natural source of health and vitality. Thanks for watching.